Okay, next one up is this sweet Kawasaki H2. Everybody knows who this belongs to. She's in for a little freshen up, getting a couple of her bikes all trotted up. I think she's got a show to go to next week. It's got a few bugs on it, a few little marks to get rid of, lots of brake dust to remove. She just did a track day on this apparently, so time to work a little Trott magic. Get it looking like it should. We'll get this chain all serviced, degreased, re-lubed back up, all the usual bits and pieces. I will do a machine polish on this bodywork. We did do a ceramic on it last year, so might just need a little top up in a few places. Got a little glue to get rid of, sticker glue. So let's get cracking. This Kawasaki H2 is now fully washed, decontaminated, debugged. Now in the studio, just fully blow dried it, making sure to remove any moisture from any switch gear, etc. First step, we'll get this exhaust all polished up, and then we're going to do a bit of machine polishing on some of this bodywork. It's got a few marks here and there, some ingrained bugs, so we will do a machine polish on those. And then we'll crack on with a bit of protection, and she is done. Go, this Kawasaki H2 Ninja has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. It's had one of our full Monty Valets. I have done a two-stage machine polish. It had quite a few ingrained bugs and a few marks on the front there. We reapplied the Ultimax Signature Pro ceramic. This thing is absolutely gleaming. One of Ruby rides his bikes. She's bringing a couple down today. All that exhaust has been all mirror polished back up. All your calipers, wheels, everything's been meticulously cleaned, polished, treated, all done just under 3 hours. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.